What's up, guys? My name is James, and what we're going to do here is kind of just highlight Creative Fabrica real quick. This is one of the programs that I just purchased over last year's Black Friday. Now, I really haven't had a chance to really kind of go through it and make a video about it until now because it's been quite busy, but this was definitely something that I wanted to highlight and make a video about because there is a lot of content on here that you can utilize for your business. I'm definitely utilizing it for my business. For example, one of my videos I just posted, I did a skateboard graphic t-shirt and I screen printed it for the first time ever. Catch that video right here if you're interested in seeing what that came out like. But I utilized this website to create that design for that t-shirt. If you're interested in anything graphics, fonts, videos, classes, anything craft related, print on demand, this is a website that you should be utilizing because there is way too much content here. And the great thing about it is when you actually have a subscription to this website, everything is absolutely free and you can download. That is the benefit of this. Before using this, I was using Canva. Now, Canva is fantastic all in itself, but Canva can be expensive, okay, per year. This was such a great deal because I only paid $57 on Black Friday for the very first year. After that, it said I can add an additional year for another $47, which is only $3.99, as you could see up there. And then you're still able to add the additional year for another $47. So I've added that special deal 3 additional times. So my expiration date is until 2027. So think about it, guys. For $3.99, that's less than a cup of coffee at your favorite coffee shop. Is you can download any graphic, any design that you want, videos included, for only $3.99 a month. So absolutely fantastic deal. This is one of the ways that you can jumpstart your business if you're an online market seller like Etsy or some type of online market. I don't know what they're all called, but this is one way to do it because you can grab all the templates you need, all the graphics you need, and have a blast. So let's get into it, guys. I'm going to try to keep this short. There's just way too much content on here. I don't want to spend a lot of time and take up a lot of your time because I'm going to tell you right now, just within probably the first 5 minutes, you're already going to see the value of it and you're just going to go purchase it. So I'm going to encourage you to do so because it's such a great value right now. I want you guys to be able to take advantage of that. 47 additional, dollars that you spend, you get those 12 months. So it would be crazy not to. This right here by far is the best deal you're going to find, hands down. So utilize that affiliate link in the description. It's there to help you guys, and I'm making this video to help you guys make that decision. So go out there and get it done, make it happen for yourselves, and start making that money, guys. So here we go. Right off the bat, I'm on the front page, okay? I'm already seeing this right here, Funky Grunge. So here's a cool font. If we click on it, we can kind of get an idea of what this font kind of looks like. So here's the cool thing is that if you scroll through, this would be great for screen printing, guys. This is a great screen printing font. You can even do this with DTF. You can utilize some knockout. Like, for example, if you're doing this design right here and you're putting it on a black shirt, see this blue that's on the inside right here, this dark blue? You can knock that color out and this could represent the black shirt. And then you have all these other colors in the background. So that's one way you can utilize this with some knockout color so that it can breathe on a black shirt. Again, you have this design right here, which is pretty cool. So say, for example, if this was reversed, say again, this was going on a blue shirt, you can make this part right here white. So everything that's blue right here, you make this part white, and then this part right here in white, you can knock that out, and now that becomes the blue shirt. So a very breathable product. Easily you can attain this with DTF as well. It gives you the alphabet right here, pretty much all the characters that are included. I would download that because in my opinion, that's a moneymaker right there. So if you're into different things, you can download other fonts, graphics. There's all kinds of things here. Let's go down the list real quick. You got fonts. So decorative fonts, it tells you all kinds of fonts that are included. You got graphics. So if you're looking for designs for t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, etc., you got plenty of graphics here to choose from, and you got options of what you're looking for. If you're looking for illustrative files, if you're looking for logos, if you're looking for t-shirt designs, you can get very specific with what you're looking for. I'll show you that in a minute. You got Spark here. I'm assuming this is probably some type of AI style art. So let me click on this real quick. Yeah, so this is very unique art here. different types of artists. So this right here, guys, DTG or DTF prints can handle this with absolutely zero problems. So you click on this. Once again, this would be expensive if you didn't have the right subscription, but when you have the premium subscription to this, which is what you pay for, you get to download these things for free. So that is pretty cool. Unlimited with what you can download. And when it comes to DTF printing, DTF can handle these gradients and these different types of colors with zero problems. So this image right here, for example, no problem with DTF, no problem with DTG. But in some cases, you would definitely want to, if you could and you were that creative, you could halftone some of this stuff, and that would make stuff like this more breathable. Or you can knock out certain colors in here depending on how your skills are with designing. So again, let's keep going down the list. We have things for crafting. So if you're a crafter, you can download different styles and different themes. So we have all the themes here of crafting, needlework, embroidery, knitting, you get the picture here. Classes. So let's just say, for example, you own a Cricut. A lot of people do, or you own a Silhouette. Here specifically is telling you, hey, watch this video and learn how to make gift tags with Cricut. Reusable stencils with your Cricut. 3D letters, here you go. Hey, you want to bling out a rhinestone tumbler? Watch this video. So very cool. You've got videos that teach you how to do things. You don't even have to really look on YouTube to find them. They're all right there. So let's see what this CF Premium is. Let's click on Ann Stokes. So I'm assuming maybe she's a artist. Okay, so she's into some type of fantasy art. So again, maybe they're highlighting certain artists. I don't know. But you can download some of this stuff. Maybe you're into dragons and whatnot. You can create some custom stuff. So here I'm seeing that it's charging. So there's a price here. But let's see if we have the option to download. No, we don't. So CF Premium, not sure what's included in that or what this is all about. But I'm not really into this type of art, so I'm going to move on. So tools. So we have different types of tools here. You could probably go through these and figure out yourself what that stuff's all about. Print on demand. So if you're on a print on demand type deal with like Printful, Printify, etc., here's some designs for you. So you can utilize these types of designs for like t-shirts and mugs, notebooks, gift cards, something. So all types of things. And we see here, look, 576,188 graphics. So we could probably click on this, view all, and we can just go through all types of graphics. I mean, you could take something like this, put it on a t-shirt, put it on a mug. Maybe somebody likes roosters. You could be able to put a funny chicken on a shirt. This will do well with sublimation. And then you can also put this on other types of things like maybe puzzles that require sublimation. So very cool stuff. Let's see what bundles is. It doesn't really have a drop down. So here's a font bundle. Here's a t-shirt design bundle. So this has 423 designs, including t-shirt bundles. The Mega tells you all the different files you get. So let's click on this. $848 value for only $5. That's funny. So it looks like maybe, let's see, get this stunning bundle with over 423 unique t-shirt designs. Cool. Right here, guys. 423 designs. You could take all these designs, put them on your Etsy store. You now have 423 items in your Etsy store. So this could be something absolutely amazing. And you could probably take each one of these designs here and you could probably like change them just a little bit. But I mean, hey, you want to get up in the Etsy game with 400 and something designs, you're already going to look like a high-end t-shirt store, because you got all these graphics that people can purchase. And then you just set these up for print on demand and you're good to go. That's fantastic. I mean, you can do a lot with what's going on here. Let's look at graphics real quick because I wanted to show you this. Product mockups. If you're, again, have an online store, your own, or you utilize something like Etsy or another creative marketplace, now you can just have these mockups, add your design, and you're good to go. If you sell tumblers, you're good. A Bella Canvas 3001 model shirt, there you go. If you sell baby clothing, if you sell stickers, there you go. You sell bags, boom. Let's click on this one real quick. So here, just add your image and you're good. And then they got other packs, but the great thing is you don't have to pay for this. So very cool stuff that you can do here. Cutting boards. Do you make custom cutting boards? You see the point. I'm almost out of breath just kind of talking about it because I'm trying to get all this information within a certain amount of time. So I don't want to go over 15 minutes on this. I don't even want to go over, well, I'm going to go over 12 minutes. So Here it is, guys. The #1 reason why you should buy into this website. All this stuff is readily available for you. Let's just really quick type in the word beach. Spring's coming up, summer's coming up. Let's click on graphics, click on t-shirt designs. So already we see all these cool t-shirt designs that we can download. So you're seeing where we're going with this. Spring's coming, summer's coming. We can take these designs. Look, 9 Cancun vacation beach t-shirts. Let's see what type of files are included. So you get an EPS, a JPEG, SVG, and a PNG. So very cool. You can also look for the ones that have an AI file. Sometimes they'll tell you right here what files you get. Look, right here you get the Illustrator file. With this one right here, you could change the colors, you could change the fonts, you could change the wording. So having all these files, look at all these files you get. You can use them for creating products like shirts, sweaters, jumpers, mugs, vinyl, sublimation, pillow cushions, hoodies. So different aspects of your business can thrive from being able to utilize different things like this, and they're all downloadable for free because you have the subscription. So take advantage of that first year, purchase that first year, because each additional year after that is only 47 bucks, guys. $3.99. That's cheaper than probably a biscuit sandwich at your favorite restaurant. So there you go. Hopefully this helps, guys. Get to designing, get to creating, use that affiliate link in the description. That's what it's there for. It costs you nothing, but it gives me a kickback for making this video and helping you make up your mind in regards to being creative. And that's what this site is for. It's called Creative Fabrica for a reason. This is something I'm utilizing. Utilize it yourself. Post in the comments if you purchase this, because I'm curious what you do for your own business. And then as well, if you guys are interested in DTF transfers and can utilize these things to create shirts, hey, I've got the videos that definitely show you how to create with DTF. As a matter of fact, one of those videos is right here, guys. So click on that video and that'll show you how to be able to order some of the cheapest DTF on the market right now. Yes, I said the cheapest. If you have a wholesale license, you'll be able to utilize this website for all kinds of services, from screen printing, embroidery, DTG, DTF, vinyl stickers, and banners. So here you go, guys. You can utilize this wholesale website with this site right here, Creative Fabrica, and make some serious money. So once again, my name is James. This is ESENTL. Hey, join the family of people that are on this channel right here, and we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Peace out.